guys, welcome to Northern Illinois Skyview channel. This past week we took a little road trip over to the Mount Morris area, Mount Morris, Illinois. Between Byron, Illinois and Mount Morris, Illinois, we stopped over at the Byron Forest Preserve District's new Bald Hill Prairie Preserve, which is home to the biggest living tree in the state of Illinois. It's an Eastern Cottonwood. It was discovered back in 2017. Some gentlemen by the name of Russell Bruner and Todd Tucker found the tree growing at the bottom of the Bald Hill. Tucker and Bruner knew that the tree was something special because trees over 100 feet tall are pretty rare in the prairie state. As you can see, it towers over the rest of the trees, and as you can see, it sits at the base of the valley, at the base of the hill. They really think that that's actually what's helped preserve this tree from lightning strikes and wind. Not to mention it gets bountiful rainfall through the runoff. It's a great place if you just want to take the family for a little hike. There's a little parking area. I will leave a link to the new Bald Hill Prairie Preserve. It's located at 5502 North Silver Creek Road, Mount Morris, Illinois. It's free to the public. Now you can see this tree, just the base of it is huge. The circumference is about 28.5 feet. Over 9 feet in diameter and at least 122 feet tall. Well, we hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please hit the like, and we're always looking for new subscribers. We appreciate it. Never knew this tree was actually here till my stepson mentioned it to me and said, he said, you need to take your drone down there. So I took the Mavic Mini2. Only had the Mini2 out on a few flights, and I noticed a little dirt inside the lens. Actually, it's in this video. You probably can't see it, but I do. So I sent the Mini2 back for repair. Well, we hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for stopping by Northern Illinois Skyview.